Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you New Year Eve and Christmas nail art design step by step guide. Number 1 design is deck the hells. Head to the salon of a version of this sweet look before Christmas and keep it all the way through a new year. Look closely and you will see the gold half moons and classic crystals are actually hanging Christmas ornaments thanks to Audrey Faith's addition of thin gold line. The base coat is gel bottle ink in Diana. Then she used decals to create the textured design. Thanks to a simple palette of silvers and golds, the nail art will carry you to 2023 or OPT for more traditional red and green decals to place it squarely in the Christmas category. Design number 2, Cobalt Resistance. We can't think of a better hue to ring in the new year than cobalt blue. The nail polish shade of the year. Add some resistant foil underneath and you have got a winning combo. If you wanna a super slick finish, we always recommend visit to a professional for this one. If you are creating this look at home, grab some household holographic or resistance foil, a bright blue nail polish. We particularly love Assy Butler Please for it, and tiny nail art brush to create your swirls. Design number 3, Deep in Gold. We will never not love a French manicure, and this set from the Vanity Project's nail salon in Miami is no different. This set look like it's literally been dipped in gold, and that's the energy we want to bring into 2023. To achieve this look, you will need a bold gold polish shade or a chrome powder to give it a reflective finish. If you don't have long nails or extensions, you can do this design with a micro French tip, which looks great on shorter nails. If you like my today's video, please like, share and subscribe my video with your family, friends and other members of your family. Thank you very much for watching my video.